this is early. It's the last day of February and almost all ice is gone in the river. We have really warm weather, +6 now, and sunny. And yeah, it took 3 or 4 days, and also really high water level in the river. Yeah, time to put in the dock. Into the river we go. Yeah, I'm ready to go up and change clothes and get a paddle board and break some ice. This is going to be fun. Now we will see if we can break some ice. No, you can try. I can film. That was solid. Oh, an old can. And a plastic bottle on my side. Up!
Too far. Oj.
Got a crack. Oh, now it's moving. Oh, a lot of cracks. Yeah. See if we can. Whoop. There we have. Oh. Now everything is moving. Yeah. Perfect. Everything is moving. Is it stopped now? Whoa! That was close. I will sit down and try to. Yep. We need to this big. See if I can come. Yep. Up here. And hop. This is heavy. Thick. moving, but I don't know if it's good or bad. We will see how this goes. Go and see how it goes with this ice floe and be behind them. Oh, a tree down there have a really hard time with the ice floe, but it survived. And now it's going to get the next tree also. You see the tree over here out in the river, that's what I'm talking about. Oi, oi, oi! I got a wife in my back. Oi! I guess I will sit down here. Looks like that tree took the... Oh! It's open here. But I guess we want that. Oh, now we got that behind us. But the tree splitted the ice floe. Look, now we have like 3 or 4 parts of that big ice floe, and the tree have a it survived this time too. And then we have a big ice floe, and down here in the Pike Bay the channel there was not open in the morning, so it goes really fast. So now all the ice floe can just pass here, and really good. We don't have any tea or snacks with us. That would have been perfect here in the sun. That ice floe will come later on. Maybe you should try to open up so the channel will be bigger. Seems like this just needs some push here. Oh. Oh, now we got some parts of this. And now this ice floes will go down in the big rapid, and there they will be even smaller when they come out from the big rapid. I will not go in the big rapid. I will turn around and paddle home and get a kayak, because I'm going to do a double Harry, and it is the last day of February. So if I want to do my double Harry with both kayak and paddle board, then I need to paddle today. I'm going home and switch to kayak.
Okay.
Are you going to paddle with kayak?
No.
No. Are you going to stay here?
Yeah.
Yep. And when I was setting up the kayak, Erika come home and said that she's going to fix some tea and candy, snacks, and we're going to take a fika down in the Pike Bay. So yeah, what a day. So amazing. Now you see, I'm not so good at talking at the same time. I'm going to concentrate with this. double Harry completed. It is not the length that you do it at least once a month during the day. And to have the dock now, that is a luxury. Some current. It is strong current now when we have high water. It is so good to have kayak when you go upstreams. A paddleboard will be much harder. Here I just can sit and more enjoy the paddle than. But of course you burn a lot of calories with a paddleboard compared to a kayak. Time to turn around and get some fika in the Pike Bay. The sun. Yeah, it will be sun in the Pike Bay. Hej hej! The Harrier is on, and now it's time for some tea, sun, Wi-Fi and some candy. Perfect. See you until then. Paddla lugnt.